Okay, here's another question we get asked a lot, is the choke, the glow plugs between the different engine types, and how you kind of dictate that. It determines, what engine you have, depending on when you need to start it. So this is a original V8. It was a fire truck. So the choke is down here on the side. You actually pull it out and twist and lock it in. So once it's locked in, your choke is fully on. And if it's locked in, the choke will stay on. So once you start driving it, you can hear it's revved up. And we can take it down. You can actually set it and turn it and let it go in. We can drop the idle. See how it wanted to die there. With these dual SU carbs, they're going to need a little bit of choke till they're warm. We haven't started this one about a month. So on the right side of the steering wheel, you have a choke that you pull out and twist, and then push back in and untwist to set the choke. So once it's warm, you definitely want to turn the choke off. That's a fun little toy right there. So we'll go over 19J. So that's a 2.5 liter turbo diesel. This one's a 1990. So they're a little bit different because you have glow plugs. And the choke light wasn't working on the fire truck, but it will for the glow plugs here. So these are really different. They're strange. They get a lot of people. You want to turn it on, then go right between start and the on position, and you hold. If you go back, it turns off. That means your glow plugs are warming up. The colder it is, the more glow plugs you want to assist in starting. Starts, turns off. She runs good. So that one gets a lot of people. That's on the 12Js, the 19Js. So they switch ignitions too. There's a couple different part numbers. It can get confusing. A lot of times people swap them out. We have one in back where they put a push button glow plug on a 1986 with a 12J. So you want to make sure you're between the on and the start, and that when you go for it, you hold it. And some can be very sensitive and it's right in between. Others are not that sensitive and you can get to it easy. Now this is a 300 TDI. The 200 TDI operate the same way. So you can see it's a different type of light. Instead of a choke light, it's a glow plug. And I just put the key to the on position. So on, it's on a timer. It sits. And she fires off. So that's the difference between the different types of glow plugs and starting a V8. The Petrol 2.5 would be the same way too as the V8 over there.